Oh my god, it's really, 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 I don't know. But it's really snowy and warm. It's spring already. Hi, Tony. Guys, this is my little bony dog. Ow! Well, guys might hear that on my channel. You can't see him when I said it's pitch black. You can hear. It's really cute. Hi, Tony. Hi. Now you can come. There's lots of dogs around here. Pretty scary. But yeah, it's pretty scary out here. You don't know when there's gonna be a dog attacking you. The other day when I was skid riding with my friend, so they're like a big dog, brown. So it bit my sister and she got hurt. They're no bite marks or anything, but it's still kind of hurt on her. Anyway, she's tough. She kept on kicking it in her face. It was straight up here. I'll show you after we go. Wait. It lives right there. That house right there. It's right there, you guys. So I don't know, but it's bad. It bit my sister. I drove fast, but it almost fell. That dog slipped on that. Sorry, if that dog slipped on the sleigh, and then we stuck. And then I stopped driving fast. I was in the flying wheel, so my sister turned the wheel so that. That's how we did it. He doesn't bite, only bite when it's funny. But you guys will be seeing my other puppy. Okay. Oh, there's a big dog. Big dog. Big dog. Tony, come here. Tony, come here. It's really windy outside. My winter sweater is so cold. Look, here's our skill checks from yesterday. We're having so much fun. Ah, someone got hurt my dog. You really get so crazy. Well, wait, oh, there's a big shoe right there. Pretty hot stuff right there. Sunlight, that's just what to say. This is my cousin's house. Oh. What's that? Ow! You hurt me. Okay, today. Ow, Tony!
I have to go use.
Oh. Good boy. Oh my god, I hurt my finger. It's not right, okay. So probably the other day I lost my fingernail. Are you waiting for a shirt? I mean a pants?
No, I'm gonna right there.
Hi.
What kind of pattern is that?
Ah.
Oh, it's awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's nice. It's nice.
My tablet's messed up. Are you sweeping?
I have to sweep too, so I have to sweep up you. Just kidding. You're not clean. Just cleaning up the room.
The room. Yes. Well, I'll wait for a little bit. There's sunlight. Free. My dog's crying. Tony!
Hold on, I'll be there.
Okay, diaper changing, baby. What's this? This is the power box. Yeah. I'm recording.
Okay.
Super bright over there. Okay. This house. This house is pretty big. Oh, I seen him. It's right there. He took a picture. He's a spy then. Ah! Have you seen one? No. Tony. Tony. No. Oh. Yo, I thought you were in there. Oh, you came out? What is in there? I'll give you socks at my house. Who's this? Oh! Who's this?
That's my nephew.
Oh.
His name is Jeremy.
Well, I'm gonna go put on a jacket at my house. And put in some minis. Put on some minis. We're gonna go play outside on those hills. I think yeah.
How come your dog is getting bullied?
What?
Your dog is getting bullied by other dogs.
No, he just barks at other dogs and ends up getting beat up.
Oh, you know what? Tony almost got hit by a sewage truck.
Again?
Yeah. He was just walking and then a sewage truck went over him. He didn't get hit. He was just like this, he was just like this. Look, he was like this and then oh, he just starts crying because that sewage truck went over him.
At least he still survived. He's a very lucky dog. At least he's not big. What? I don't know what he said. Markel, hurry up.
My mom's coming home today.
Really?
Yeah. With her baby. She didn't have birthday.
I know that's on April.
I know. She's bringing stuff home for us. Candy.
You better give me some gummy bears. That's my favorite stuff, bro. Alright, gummy worms.
Is Heidi still over there?
Yeah.
Can't believe it. She's still there.
He's gonna probably go home today. And we're gonna probably get more gas for a Skittle. You guys, I'll probably
Did your dad get mad of that gas?
So, yeah. Anyway, you guys, I'll be recording again on the Skittle.
Let's go.
Someone will be holding it for me.
I won't.
Okay.
Next thing we jump.
Oh,
Both on the
jeez, no, just kidding. I'll be all good.
Come on, Tony. Come on, bro. Can't go that, bro. How come Tony always wants to go inside my house?
Okay, wait. I want to see those. I want to see my puppies. Wait. Splinter. Splinty. Splinter.
Splinter's not home.
Oh, for real? See? Wait, more. Ow, Tony. Ow.
Not home.
Oh my god, Tony. Push over. It's not like you're the only dog in the world here. Oh, she's so cute. We're such like angels. Wait, I'm gonna go inside there for a bit. Get lost. Tony! Pull out, Tony. Wait, never mind. I got it. Tony, get lost. Oh my god. No. Wait, I'm gonna push over thing. This little white. Okay, wait. This dog right here. This white little one. She's my dog. She's too young to come out. She comes in that house. Right? Okay.
This is where I kept on hitting my back when I grab a puppy.
Okay, wait. really cold. I want to go home. Oh, Peter, too sorry. That's the sewer chicken almost hurt my dog. Okay, wait. Hey, you guys. I am back in my house. It's pretty cold. Here started no good Skittle.
That was funny when Heidi fell and then landed on her butt on a pinky thing.
That gas is no good. We need to go all around right here. The foot are right there. And this thing is just a power start. Well, and my dad's truck's
The windshield's broken.
and it needs repairing on the windshield. And my dad's wheel. Well, still needs to. It just has a hole in its tire. Come on, Raquel. Well, you guys, that's it. Well, bye.
And here's that thing. Look.